Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
We built the worst PC build possible on PCPartPicker.
This is like a bunch of stuff for PCPartPicker. So we're gonna do the spin that wheel. If you get this one, then you have to spin this wheel to see which one brand you're doing. And then if you get this one, then you have to spin this wheel. Call it, Peter. Heads or tails?
I'm gonna do tails.
Man, I want tails.
Okay, bro.
So I'm spinning first. This literally doesn't have any impact because already.
As much
So I'm
one
doing
brand
one
possible.
brand. What brand am I doing? I do have I actually did get a really nice option.
Yeah.
Peter's turn.
Oh no. No! No! Okay, I don't know where to even start.
I love having no budget. It's actually really nice. Oh yeah, I forgot Corsair makes really nice RAM. 6600 micro transfers per second on a 96 gigabyte kit of DDR5. I love putting an air cooler on my SSD. Peter, watch my stream.
Okay.
Look at this.
Why do you need that? What is that? What? No.
It's so
What?
big.
What is that? What?
It's an air cooler on an SSD.
Who needs that? Who needs that?
Somebody apparently. Oh yeah, I gotta put a 1080 Ti in my PC with a 9850 X3D. That's my only. I could do a water-cooled 1080.
Wait, is that?
I could do a water-cooled 1080 Ti or a water-cooled 1080.
Well, I have to reduce my total cost down by $3.
I'm gonna put this in the biggest case possible. I want the biggest case possible,
Okay.
but like one of the biggest cases.
Do you think I need
1600
to
watts.
do 16 gigabytes of RAM, or can I survive with just a single stick of 8?
You will not survive with a single stick of 8.
I mean,
Wanna know what I do think you can survive with? DDR4, Peter. Should I put the mini
forgot about
monitor in here? The 14.5-inch touchscreen?
like in the case, or just?
I mean, I could put it in the case. Okay, we're gonna do that, and then we're also gonna have like 2 above and below the monitor for fun.
I need to add $6.7 to my cost.
6. Should my headphones be circles or trapezoids?
I think there should be trapezoids.
No.
No? Then why do you ask me?
How many keyboards should I give myself? Let's go with 4.
Okay,
I'm
go.
gonna do what I did with my God PC. You know what? Yeah, no, I don't care. I'm getting as close to my God PC as possible now.
$999.38. 62 cents to spend. What's the cheapest I can go? Okay. Okay, these are some pretty not crappy. Amazing headphones.
Let me just like flex on the audience how many saves part lists I have real quick. Like, look at this. This is insane. Don't judge me on how many monitors, okay? Oh yeah, I can add fans!
Do I need to make this PC build actually good?
I would prefer it be good.
Okay, I cannot do that.
What do you mean you cannot do that? Okay, now that I have that many fans, how many more do I need? 4 140mm fans. Got it. I'm just flexing on Peter my fan knowledge. Okay, hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minis. Another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 monitors. Should I get the 3 millisecond response time 1440p 32-inch or the 12 millisecond response time 4K 32-inch?
12 milliseconds 4K.
Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, how much do I have to spend on a mouse? Around $7.32.
Whoa.
I got 54 cents.
That's
left.
pretty good, I think.
Oh, I completely forgot about the power supply.
Oh, Peter, that's unfortunate.
Sour supply.
Sour supply. Can you stream? I want to see.
Look at my headphones. Look at my headphones. What are these? What are these?
Peter, I told you, get DDR4. Peter, scroll up, get rid of your memory, go to memory, get a 16 gigabyte. Do not get a 4 gigabyte kit, Peter. And now find the cheapest. There you go.
Well, now I have over $50 to spend.
Get a better cooler. That one.
Okay, I have 60 cents though.
Peter, you're not getting it perfect. Okay. Okay, guys. So my computer. So we got a 9850X3D, 360mm the XTM70. I don't really know. Really nice $80 Wi-Fi Eagle motherboard, full sized. It's very
Wow.
nice. And we got 96 gigabytes of DDR5. Two 8TB Gen 4s, a 4TB Gen 5, all with heatsink. You got your 120mm cooled 1080 Ti. Then you have this big case. And we have a 1600-watt power supply. It's every single fan slot is full. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 monitors. Mini keyboard, TKL keyboard, 96% keyboard, 99% keyboard, full-sized keyboard with a Stream Deck on the side. You got your MMO mouse number 1. You got your comfortable mouse. You got your FPS mouse number 1, your MMO mouse number 2, and your FPS mouse number 2. Wireless headset, wireless headset, wireless headset, wireless headset, not wireless headset. Okay, hang on. I need to say hi to my dad. My dad respects the grind. $8,000 without the 4K monitors and the graphics card. So like, and the RAM and the storage. So let's see your thing, Peter. Okay, what do we got here, Peter?
Okay, we got this 10-core CPU.
Can you go to the motherboard? Okay, so it's kind of a meh motherboard, but that's fine. Same SSD that I have. Okay, you got a very mini card. I respect it. I respect it. I respect having a CPU more expensive than your graphics card. Probably get a cheaper power supply and a better graphics card, or a cheaper power supply and maybe better peripherals. Spin that wheel! So you're going first this time. What does he get? What does he get? What does he get? Okay, what am I doing? I'm gonna get not black or white, I swear. No way!
Okay, bro. Have fun with that.
Okay, done.
You're done already? Yeah?
Go back. Press the start new button. Start with the case. Now go to external volume. There you go. There you go. These are your options, Peter.
This one, bro? The GeForce
Do not get the
GT.
GT710.
How do I pick a motherboard?
Just pick a motherboard. I don't really care. Just pick something and then I'll tell you if your choice is stupid.
Is this choice stupid?
That choice, the crucial, that is probably the best choice.
Okay, I'm gonna pick, can I have your opinion on something?
What?
What do you think? What do you think of this mouse?
Am I looking at?
What do you think, bro?
What did you search?
I searched up small.
Why does it look? It looks pretty big to me. Okay, so we got the 9850X3D, the Asus ROG Ryujin 3 ARGB Extreme, the Cryonaut Extreme Thermal Paste. We got the Godlike $1,100 motherboard, the same 96 gigabytes of DDR5, two 30TB hard drives, two 8TB Gen 5 SSDs, liquid cooled 5090, really big case, really big power supply,
That's a lot.
Windows 11 Pro, couple fans, couple monitors. This one's really fast. Couple keyboards, couple mice, couple headsets, speakers, UPS, webcams. You know, all the important stuff. It is $30,000 without the graphics card and the RAM.
Okay, so this is our CPU. This is our CPU cooler.
Peter, you forgot a keyboard.
Okay, this is our motherboard.
Okay, our motherboard. I rate it a 10 out of. I'd rate it like a 9.9 out of 10. Like the mouse, the mouse is okay. The mouse I get. I'd rate it a 9.9 out of 10, except the monitor sucks. Literally, it's making me depressed just looking at it. So, you went first last time. My turn.
Hold on, let me watch your stream.
What do we got?
Most wattage, bro.
Peter, your build
I
is Rainbow Puke. Oh wait, the one with the air cooler probably needs wattage. Hold up. Can I show you something pretty cool?
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Wait, they added it. They added it. They added it. They added the MSI Lightning Z.
What is the EATX form factor?
Bigger, because it's extra.
Ooh. This is a good looking
The MSI Lightning Z. Oh, it's beautiful. Peter, should I use this case?
You should use that case, bro.
Oh my god.
You should change your...
It's already 6. It's
Ready.
oh my god. It's so I might be able to do something really stupid. That might just like literally not work.
Triple.
2600
Wait,
watts,
do
dude.
do RGB M.2 SSDs exist?
Peter, yeah, there are SSDs with
Okay,
RGB
bro.
heatsinks. Don't worry, Peter. No,
fine.
Peter, you can literally get an 2.5-inch SSD that's just straight an RGB screen. Add as many as you can. 2708 watts.
How many?
2708. I might actually be able to make a PC that's more watts. They use USB. Oh my god, wait. You
I
can get it
need
with a
that.
screen on the main graphics card.
Where do I find that, bro?
It's just the Aorus Waterforce Extreme. This just has a lot of storage, that's for sure. Monitor. Let me just get the biggest resolution monitor I possibly can. Peter, should I get a 7680 by 4320 monitor?
I think you should do that, bro.
That's like 3 8K monitors, dude.
I am not trying to make an AI data center right now.
Should I get a 600-gram thermal compound?
What?
Let me get a $26,000 UPS. It doesn't even know the price of my cooler motherboard, RAM, all of my storage except for one SSD, and it's $78,000, Peter.
What the heck? How?
Does this use wattage? Peter, I did it. It fits.
Do you think 65 inches is too small for a monitor? Okay, let's see.
Here you go. 2,803 watts.
Oh.
You got the Threadripper, the
64
420mm
cores, that's a bit
cooler,
low. Can do much with
600
64
grams of
cores.
thermal paste. This pretty cool motherboard, 256 gigabytes of DDR4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 terabyte SSDs. 2 of whatever this is. 1 of these. 2 of these. That thing. 2,800 watt power supply. The biggest power supply PCPartPicker has to offer is not enough. Windows 11 Pro, couple fans, couple 8K monitors, Stream Deck keyboard, all Bluetooth wireless. You want to know why? So that you can have a couple camera angles. 1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
You got the 9800 XVD. Okay, you got this CPU cooler. You got this RAM.
I love how it alternates in colors.
Yes, these 5 of these. 2 water-cooled 5090s. We got this case. 11 fans. These are
Okay.
our monitors.
Comment down below what your favorite PC build was from this video, and what we should suffer through next.
Even though